Nakadalawang bronze ka here sa Junior Worlds. Your thoughts on your 2 bronze medals?
Gusto ko po magsaya, gusto ko na po mag-swimming, magpahinga, kumain, magala, pahinga, kumain, paulit-ulit, pahinga, kumain, kumala. Ganun na lang po niisip ko ngayon. So proud of myself even though top 3 lang. Still, I know a lot of people will tell that lang, but still, for me, this is not just a lang, but this is for my hard work too. It symbolized my cry, the blood I took out, and the disappointment. But still, this is the bronze medal in the world. Yeah.
Describe mo sa amin dito yung final performance mo.
So my final performance was good. I stick the landing. As you can see, guys, that's the most beautiful dismount that I ever did, and that's the most difficult routine that I will ever did. And matter of fact, I'm the first Filipino gymnast that did the Casino one with a full twist and a catch and a triple back dismount. I am the first Filipino to do it, Filipino gymnast to do it. I'm just sharing it, you guys, because I'm so proud of myself to the point that I'm sharing this to you.
Anong tawag na dismount mo?
A triple back. And I stick it, guys. So hard work, guys. It's not just a lucky something. It's hard work, you know. Pinag-isipan ko na maayos yun.
Was it also the
Wala
first
pa
time
ibang gumagawa
na
ng-
mo yun?
Here in international, yeah. This is the first time I competed this in international, but in the second time in competition, the first time is in All Japan team. I competed there.
Eldro, ito na yung last mong juniors. Gaano kalaking bagay ito na last mo, tapos nakadalawang bronze medal ka?
But, masisira po yun. Sorry po. Ayun nga po, napakalaking bagay po kasi this is my last junior and dalawang bronze pa po tayo. So, it's a really big thing for me because magtatapos po ako ng junior level ng my history sa Pilipinas. And yeah, ngayon ko lang din po na-realize na I'm in a history na po as a first junior gymnast who got medal in worlds. Like that's something keme-rutan. Basta, yun na po. Nasa history na po ako. And thank you so much for my hard work, for myself, to my mentor, Coach Nuneko Shrilan, and to my parents. I'm very thankful to them. And to the people who support me, my girlfriend, and yeah, and I'm very thankful to my God, and very thankful for Him that this is His plan for me. Yeah.
Reflecting on all your challenges, bakit sa tingin mo, Eldro, na ngayon ibinigay itong ganito kalaki na parangal para sa'yo?
Siguro po, isa na rin po to sa hard work ko po, na almost every day I cry to myself because I cannot do the things that my mentor wants me to do, but still, I still manage to hook some runs, you know. Still big. Dalawa na po siya, yung isa naka-tissue lang, wala po kasing box.
Ano yung mga learned lessons mo dito?
Learned lesson, you just need to enjoy the things that you are with. You need to value it, you need to treasure it, and you just need to enjoy the things that that's happening to your life. Don't listen to anyone who is pulling you down. Don't listen to anyone who says negativity on you. Just keep pushing yourself. Just keep pushing what you love. Just keep what you're doing or what you love. That's all, guys.
Eldro,